I'm done. It's too much, it's too much, it's too much, it's too much. A lot is just going on. The pandemic, failed business relationships, so many of my goat died.
Lay my burdens by a lovely river.
I'm quitting YouTube. Stop. Listen. Country boy, country boy, country boy. We miss you, we miss you, we miss you. Listen, your fans miss you. Alright, let me tell you this. Even when you feel like you want to quit, don't. Even when you get tired and you may slow down, never stop moving. Continue. It's okay to operate at your own pace, but what is not okay is to quit. You're right. So back on your screen, 2022 is your favorite YouTuber, Country Boy, the original, back at you with a banger. Your wait has come.